E puli kako. E ko mako mako lani piha me ke aloha. Mahalo ia oino ko launa puna mai me mako I ke ala. O e ko mako hako. A me ko mako wana. Kia kua, that is really what we want, is that breath of life and life abundant. Kia kua, we come to this place as whoever we represent. So kia kua, we bring our aloha spirit for our students and for the students that don't even know this place exists yet. But this will become a place of studying for them, or of working together, or of experimenting, or just enjoying launa together. We ask you, aloha spirit, we begin with us. And as we use this vai, it's a life-giving fluid, and we want for each one of our schools, from JAVSM to WCC to KCC to Kamehameha schools, to us as individuals, may your aloha spirit be pono within us as we share with others. We pule this blessing with much aloha. Now, first of all, with us as individuals. Second of all, for us as the institution or the school or the group that we represent. Kia kua, finally this place. May your aloha spirit be pono upon everything that we've done to make a change, to make it pono, make it beautiful, make it nani for the studies of our students. We pule this blessing with much aloha. Amen no kia kua apau. Amen. 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 So just keep your hands